Before you decide to buy Synder, there are a few things you should know. If you're thinking about making the switch from another accounting software, or even trying this out for the first time, stick with me through this video. There are some critical factors that will help you make an informed decision. Synder positions itself as a highly efficient solution for automating accounting tasks, especially for e-commerce businesses. It simplifies the process of syncing your transactions with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and others. Now you might be wondering how it stacks up against the competition. We'll get into that, but first it's important to know Synder offers a completely free trial, which you can get by clicking the first link in the description below. The first thing you need to know is how Synder simplifies integration with major e-commerce platforms. Whether you're using Shopify, Amazon, or WooCommerce, Synder connects seamlessly, pulling in data with minimal setup. Unlike many competitors, which often require manual updates or struggle with syncing real-time data, Synder does it effortlessly, saving you hours every week. Next thing, Synder's automation is a game changer. It doesn't just pull in data, it categorizes it automatically and reconciles your accounts in a way that minimizes human error. If you've used other tools like Xero or QuickBooks in the past, you'll see that Synder reduces the time it takes to close your books, ensuring you're not wasting time on tedious tasks. The third thing to keep in mind is the customization features. Synder allows you to set rules for how transactions are classified and reported, which makes your accounting processes more tailored to your specific business needs. While many competitors might give you basic templates, Synder allows for a higher level of customization, which is crucial for businesses that need precision in their financial records. Now let's talk about pricing. Synder's pricing model is competitive, but you need to consider whether the value it adds justifies the cost. If you're looking for an all-in-one accounting solution that saves you time and provides accurate results with minimal effort, Synder can quickly pay for itself. While other software like QuickBooks can be a bit more expensive, Synder offers a unique set of features for the price. The fifth thing you should know is how Synder handles multi-currency transactions. If you're running a global business, Synder supports multi-currency syncing, which is essential for international transactions. Many other platforms either don't support this feature or do so with significant limitations, making Synder an excellent choice for businesses with international customers. The sixth thing to be aware of is Synder's reporting. While Synder offers powerful reporting tools, the way it organizes your data is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be an accountant to understand the reports it generates. For comparison, other accounting tools might require more manual effort to generate reports that are as clear and easy to interpret as those in Synder. And the seventh thing is Synder's customer support. Their support team is known for being responsive and knowledgeable. Many users have praised their team for being quick to help with any issues. This stands out compared to competitors, where customer service might leave you waiting for hours or dealing with unhelpful agents. If you want to give Synder a try for yourself, click the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best free trial, and you'll even receive exclusive benefits when you sign up. So, before you make a decision about buying Synder, keep these points in mind. It's a powerful tool, especially for e-commerce businesses, and the free trial is your chance to see if it's the right fit for your needs.